In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack to communicate and collaborate with your team. Slack is a simple and popular tool that helps teams stay connected, share updates, ask questions, and work together in one organized place. If you're new to it, don't worry. I'll walk you through the basics so you can start using it confidently right away. First, download and open the Slack app on your computer or phone. Once it launches, sign in using your work email address or the invite link your team has provided. This is what connects you to the correct workspace, which is the shared area where your team communicates. After you sign in, take a look at the left sidebar. This is one of the most important parts of Slack because it helps you navigate everything quickly. Here, you'll find your workspace home along with all of your channels and direct messages organized in one place. Channels are group conversation spaces, usually based on teams, projects, or topics, while direct messages are used for one-on-one or smaller private conversations. Next, go to the Channels section and click the plus icon. This lets you browse existing channels so you can join the ones that are relevant to your work. If needed, you can also create a new channel for a specific project or topic. Keeping conversations in the right channel makes it much easier for everyone to stay informed and find information later. When you're ready to send a message, click into any channel or direct message and type in the message box at the bottom of the window. Then press enter to send it. This is the main way you'll communicate with your team, whether you're asking a question, sharing an update, or responding to someone else. If you want to make sure a specific person sees your message, type the @ symbol followed by their username. This mentions them directly and sends them a notification, which is especially helpful when you need their attention on something important. You can also share files right inside the conversation. Just click the paperclip icon in the message box to upload files, images, or documents. This makes collaboration much smoother because your team can view the shared material right where the discussion is happening. If a typed conversation starts to feel like it would be easier to handle live, click the headset icon at the top of a channel to start a quick huddle or voice call.